Hi, my name's Heather Rice, and I teach digital arts at One School of the Arts. I teach all of the middle and high school scholars. The goal in all of my classes that I teach is to make sure that all of my scholars have a really good foundation and life skills. Skills that don't just look good on a report card, but that translate to a resume. In high school, I teach subject areas where we have graphic design or journalism, communications. All of those things are really skills that are applicable to the real world today. In my 7th and 8th grade digital media classes, we start by layering a really good foundation for internet safety and what that digital footprint is all about. My goal is that the scholars that leave my classroom have a good understanding how to work the internet, what are the dangers in the internet, and how they can maneuver it and play safely online. Around here, I'm the teacher mama, and I'm lucky enough to have a group of scholars in high school that I teach that are on my yearbook staff. And when you're on yearbook staff here, it's different than a regular elective, and it's different than a regular club because we're really a family. My scholars on yearbook not only get to learn graphic design and communications and journalism, but they also learn how to get along and to team build and how to be leaders. Each one has to step up to a different and unique role throughout the year at a different time, whether they're a graphic designer or a photographer or whether or not they're an editor. At some point, they're going to be called on to step up and lead in their area, and so it matters because you really should have a chance to experience your education while you're in school. You should get hands-on learning. We believe that you should have as much opportunity as possible to touch it, to see it, to feel it, to taste it. It's woven through our curriculum, and it's in every teacher that's in the classroom. We just have a beautiful school here that thrives on creativity and welcomes the scholars to really just take a chance and try something new and explore it. They might not be a pro at it the first go around, and none of us are, but we want them to try. We never want somebody to go and say, well, I wish I would have done that. To learn more about our digital arts programs, visit our website.